Good morning, y'all. Good morning, yeah. We'll Saturday, man. This is my a task for the day, man. I'm sanding this exhaust nozzle. Yeah, I'm starting right here, working my way on the round, trying to make it shine again, removing some of this buildup on it. Over here with it now. I'm taking my time. Easy money, I call it on a Saturday. And flip it over and do that also. Do the inside also. I want to set you see how it'll come out or not. So I know you'll waste my time going in there or not. So I'm go ahead and probably take care of that Monday. I know I ain't gonna have to get that done today. Yo, just going back. I'm over here now. I'm just cranking on around. Yeah, we'll get all that done. Y'all go see. Yo. I'll take care of it, man.